In the world of stock market, we have a lot of successful stories. We have a lot of successful investors. Rakesh Chunjunwala, Radhakishan Damani, Ramdev Agarwala, Warren Buffett, Vijay Kedia, and many more. Friends, what about failure story? We also have a lot of failure stories. 90% of investors they fail in the world of stock market. They lose money in stock market. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because you'll be getting a lot more update with regards to investment. Friends, today I'm going to discuss about the 7 mistake. Because of this 7 mistake, many investors they fail in the world of stock market. They lose money in stock market. Let's start. Mistake number 1, investing into penny stocks. Many new investors they start their stock market journey investing into penny stocks. They feel that it's going to create them a multi-bagger return. If you ask them why you want to invest into penny stocks, they say that we are going to get more quantity, more units. That's the reason they will invest into penny stocks. Along with that, they feel when they invest in a penny stocks, the maximum downward risk is limited and upward potential is unlimited. Friends, it doesn't work like that. So if you look at the history, the success ratio in penny stock which is very less, which is very low. That's the reason you should not invest into penny stocks. The second mistake is FNO trading. Many new investors they start their stock market journey with the trading. Friends, trading it looks very attractive, it looks very simple, but it is not easy as we think. Trading is a full-time job. Trading is a profession. If you want to become a trader, then you should know very thoroughly about technical analysis. Along with that, you should have some 2-3 years of practical experience in FNO market. Then only you can become a trader. Then only you can make money in trading. In 1 or 2 days, you cannot become a trader. You cannot make money in trading. The next mistake is no idea about valuation. Friends, valuation is the one of the very important part when it comes to investing into stock market. No matter how stock is good, no matter how business is good, if stock is already overvalued, if stock is already super expensive, then it won't give you any returns. That's the reason before investing into any stocks, you should look at the valuation. Warren Buffett always says that if you are buying stocks or stocks, always buy when it's trading discount. Always buy when it's marked down. The next mistake is investing based on the tips. This is one of the biggest mistake most of the investors they commit once they started stock market investment journey. They easily trust the tips from their friends, relative, colleagues, which will turn them the biggest loss. The next mistake is investing at 52-week low stocks. Friends, when I say 52-week low, it doesn't mean that stock will not fall further. It can fall further, but before investing into any stock, please make sure that you are investing into quality stocks. If you are investing into quality stocks, ultimately it's going to create wealth for you in a long term. But if you are investing into bad stock, ultimately it will spoil your wealth. So many investors they have a attitude stock already बहुत गिर चुका है और कितना गिरेगा. That is the attitude many investors they have, and they will invest into 52-week low stock, which is not a right approach. The next mistake is they simply avoid quality stocks. Many new investors, when we ask them to invest in a quality stocks like a HDFC Bank, TCS, ICICI Bank, Infosys, they say that the stock has already given a great return. In the future, it cannot give bigger return. They are always hunting for a multi-bagger return. Friends, it doesn't work like that. And next mistake is they are always trying to make quick money. Friends, it can be any industry, anywhere. Nothing is going to change overnight. Everything requires time and effort. If you look at the Warren Buffett, he has taken 4 to 5 decades to become a richest man in the world. His 90% of wealth created after he turned 60. That's the reason you cannot make quick money in the market. Friends, if you summarize the points, mistake number 1, investing into penny stocks. Next one is FNO trading. Third one is no idea about valuation. Fourth one is investing based on the tips. Next one is investing when stock is trading at 52-week low. Next one is avoiding quality stocks. Next one is trying to make quick money. Friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please subscribe. Please do share it with your community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you.